out the box Norma rounds, 58 grain V-Max. I like these bullets because they're fast and flat, and whatever they hit, they break up. You've zero chance of a ricochet. We've got a bit of stony ground in places, bit of flint about. There's all sorts of land soil types, to be honest, but I'm confident with this that, you know, if I missed what I'm shooting at, I'm not going to get a nasty ricochet or whatever. They're so fast, and they're, you know, the light bullet, they just break up whatever they hit, and dump their energy in the ground, and that's it. You know, obviously I'd never take a skyline shot or a dangerous shot, but it's you can ricochets are, you know, a big thing that people think about when you talk about, you know, big rifles, dangerous bullets and all that.